In this video we will talk about how to generate the random numbers in the Python. So to generate the random number in the Python, we need to have a module called the random. You need to import a random module. Inside the random module there is a function called random integer, so that displays the random number within the range. Here we are expecting a random number between 0 to 9. In this print function we are calling random with the random integer function with the providing range 0 to 9, so it displays the random number between the 0 to 9. Similarly, again we are printing one more statement which prints a random number between 20 to 99. Let's run and see this program. This is for the first statement. For the first statement 0 to 9, it displayed the random number 8, and for the second statement, the random number is supposed to be between the range 20 to 99. It picked up the 96 number, that is the random number. Now run it one more time. You will see different set of numbers. For the first statement the random number is 1. For the second statement random number is 52. Let's run one more time and see what number it picks up. This third time the random number is 5 for the first statement. For the second statement random number is 65. We will try to add one more statement, print random dot rand int will take 32 39. This is the range we will take. We will run. We'll see whether it displays the 32 39, right? Third statement. Something is wrong here. So it's displaying the error message. What is the error? Attribute error. Module random has no attribute rand init. Oh sorry, I had typed it as a rand init. Actually it's supposed to be rand int, random integer. Now run this. The third one, you can see from here 5, 97 and 35. First statement is 0 to 9, 5. Second statement is 22, 99. So the 97 is the number. The third statement I gave the range 30 to 39. So the random number is 35. Thank you guys. Keep watching my videos. There will be some more I'll come up with some more interesting videos. Thank you.